Okay, so in the previous video, we had just created the functionality to get the user profile data and also to update the user profile data. Okay, now in this video, what we'll be doing is we'll be writing the functionality to update the password. Okay, now to update the password, what I will do is I will create a nested route inside this profile part. I will create a password directory. Okay, I'll create a password directory, and inside this password directory, what I will do is I will create one route.js. Okay, route.js, and here what I will accept is, let me tell you first of all. So first of all, let us just create one function, export async function, that is a put request, put request. Okay, first of all, let us connect to the database. Await connect db. Okay, then what I will do is I'll bring in the cookies store, const cookies, cookie store is equal to await cookies that will come from next slash headers. Now to update the user password, we have to accept old password, new password, and confirm new password. Okay, we don't need the confirm new password because we'll be validating that field in the front end only using React hook forms. So const, let us say const underscore JSON data is equal to, okay, so underscore JSON data is equal to await request.json. Then what can I do is I can write a const old password comma new password, okay, is equal to underscore JSON data. So we'll be bringing out old password and new password out of the JSON data. Okay, then first of all I need to verify whether the token exists or not. Okay, so I have to bring a const auth token. I think in the previous route we had not validated the okay, so we had validated everything. Now what I will do is I'll do the same thing here. So first of all, I'll get the authentication token. I'll first get the auth token. Okay, and let us just import everything else. Import user model. Okay, and import, what I'll import is I'll import JWT from JSON web token. Okay, and import config from not this, import config from @/lib/config env. Let us save that. And what I will do is, if the authentication token does not exist, we will just sending out the we'll be sending out this 401 error. Okay, and then the thing is, what I will do is I will go ahead and do a try catch. Okay, do a try catch. I will do a try catch here. So first of all, we are getting the user. Okay, so jwt.verify and cost user is equal to user model dot find by id decoder.id. Now here what is the catch is, first of all we need to verify whether the user's password is correct or not. The old password is correct or not. Otherwise, we'll be not updating the user's password. So let us just import bcrypt from, let us say we'll be importing this from bcrypt.js. Okay. Now, first of all, I need to verify the user's old password. So const is correct, password. Okay. So is correct old password. Let us say verify old password. Okay. Verify old password is equal to await bcrypt bcrypt.compare. Okay. So we'll be comparing old password with the sorry. Yeah, it's correct. So we'll be comparing old password with the user dot password. And if in case we are just failing this, so first of all, I'll be handling the success part. So if this is a success, what I will be doing is I will be going ahead and writing here like user dot password is equal to decrypt await decrypt dot hash await decrypt dot hash. So what is the password? The password is new password and rounds will be 12. Then we'll be calling the user.save method. And after doing this, let me just remove this comments. So after doing this, what I will do is I will send the success message. Await, we have to do await before saving the user, and password updated successfully. Else, if the password is not correct, we'll be sending a bad request. Like let us say incorrect old password. Okay. Incorrect old password, and we'll be sending a 400 error. Now let us test this part. Okay, let us test this part. Now if I'll go here to my postman and create one new route, next authentication YT. So let us just create one new route, a new request, sorry, not a new route, a new request, and we'll be sending the request to API base URL slash profile slash password. Okay, slash profile slash password. We'll be sending a put request, and body will contain, let us say, I think we should just go ahead and reset the cookie. Okay. So just send this. Okay, so it's actually I have not yet started the development server. npm dev. It will start the development server here. Okay, and just send the request. After sending the request, let us wait for some time. So logged in successfully. Now what can I do is if I'll go ahead and give in my old password. Okay, old password. So, wait a second. This should be actually the JSON format. Okay, old password, and I will say new password. Let us go ahead and generate some gibberish password. So what I will do is I'll write here open, not open SSL, node. Okay, so I'll generate a gibberish password here. That is difficult to guess. Not this. Actually, I need. Okay, so let us just do one thing. Open SSL dash RAM dash base 64. Okay, and it should be 8. Okay, and this is very difficult to guess this password. Just provide it. If I'll send the request, you will see I showed 500 internal server error. What happened? What is this? Next response is not defined. Okay, so I think we forgot to import next response. Import next response from Nextjs server. And if I'll resend the request invalid or expired token, what happened? Invalid or expired token. Let me see. Uh, am I not getting the auth token cookie? Yeah, auth token cookie is there. Why I'm not getting the auth token? Let me see. Let me change this password to like a normal password. Okay, I think that was escaping something. Let me send this request again. Invalid or expired token. Why? It's telling me 8 May 13 4. Okay. Hmm, let us see what happened here. So config.auth token secret. Am I not using the auth token secret? Okay, so I'm using the auth token secret. Okay, so I accidentally exposed everything here. So I'll just reset everything. Okay. So am I not setting the auth token secret? Yeah. I'm setting the auth token secret. Hmm. What is the problem? Let me see. auth token secret. What is the problem in invalid or expired token? Okay, try catch auth token dot value. Let me see what's the error here. Okay, I'll resend this. Let me see the error. What is the particular error we are getting? So 400 first. Let me restart the server. Let me restart the server once. Invalid or expired token. I don't know why I'm getting that error. So let me see. Await cookies. Okay. Imported.id. Let me see. Console.log. Am I getting the decoded value? Yeah, I am getting the decoded value, but why I'm getting this invalid user? Am I getting the user? Let me see. Am I getting the user? Let us do one thing. Let us do one thing. What I will do is, I will go ahead and here I will do something like this. Let me change this to let user. Okay. So user is equal to await. Let's say directly what we can do is, let us say decrypt.hash. So await user model dot find by id and update. Okay, user model dot find by id and update. So what I will update is I will give the id decoded dot id. Okay, decoded dot id. Then I will set the password dollar set. Okay, I'll set the password to await decrypt dot hash. Okay, so what is the password? That is new password. Okay, so with connect db. If I'm catching the error, let us just go ahead and console log the error. Let us see what's the particular error we are doing. So send it. Okay, so success is not defined. Wait a second. I think I forgot to define the success variable. Okay, so now we are getting false, incorrect old password. Let us provide the correct old password. Send password updated successfully. Now, if I try to log in with the same credentials, invalid password. Now, if I'm providing the new password, admin @123 hash, if I'm providing the same password, okay, logged in successfully. Now we are done with everything. Now let me just clear out the cookies. Now after this video, I'll be just resetting everything. Okay, I'll be resetting all the keys, key value pairs in the backend in the .env file. So let me just rename this update user password. Okay, update user password and just save that. Okay, so save it and I'll close both of them. Now this is the video number 10, I guess. Yeah, video number 10. So I need to go ahead to my GitHub desktop and I will push all the code to my GitHub desktop. Mm, okay, so I'll be pushing all the code to GitHub desktop, to GitHub. Now, if you have not yet grabbed out the playlist, go ahead and grab out. So 10 videos have been already completed. Okay, go ahead and grab out the entire course. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you next time.